and welcome back to Daily Khabar Heart, your go-to spot for the latest updates from Tripura, India and the world. In just few minutes, I am your host. Let's jump straight into the top today's headlines. Starting with the news from our own state, Tripura. Here is what is making headlines today. Number 1. Drone action against ganja cultivation. Tripura CM Manik Shah has launched drone surveillance to fight illegal cannabis farming in the state. Strong steps ahead. Number 2. Big relief for chit fund victims. The Tripura government will refund money to scam victims of chit fund fraud. Finally, some justice coming their way. Number 3. Tripura Motha pushes for the voters verification. Pradyut Kishore met with the CEC and confirmed that the election commission assured SAR implementation. Big political move. Number 4. Stolen bike recovered in Agartala. Tripura Traffic Police recovered a stolen motorcycle during a special drive. However, the suspect is still on the run. Number 5. Football needs more funds, says CM. While cricket tournaments are happening almost every day, Mr. Manik Shah wants more support and sponsorship for football in Tripura. Sport lovers, your moment is here. Now it's time for what is happening in India. Number 1. India-US trade deal in trouble. With a deadline on August 1, the India-US trade deal is facing major setbacks. No agreement yet. Number 2. Shocking health report. A new aging study shows that many elderly Indians have diabetes or anemia without knowing it. Serious wake-up call. Number 3. Trump makes false ceasefire claim. Former US President Trump repeated a discredited claim about India-Pakistan ceasefire. India politicians slam back. Number 4. Foreign investors eye India again. Thanks to possible rate cuts, foreign investors are getting back into Indian bonds. Good for the economy. Number 5. In Air India plane crash, fire in Delhi. Scary moment as an Air India flight from Hong Kong caught fire after landing in Delhi. Thankfully, everyone is safe. Now, let's fly around the globe with today's top headlines from international. Number 1. Rest in peace, Ozzy Osbourne. Legendary Black Sabbath rocker Ozzy Osbourne has died at age of 76. The world of music mourns. Number 2. Ukraine anti-corruption drama. President Zelensky is facing criticism for weakening anti-corruption agencies both inside Ukraine and globally. Number 3. Global money shifts. The IMF says global current account imbalances are growing. That means some countries are getting richer, some are poor faster. Number 4. The senator warns India on oil. Lindsey Graham from the US has warned India, China and Brazil stop buying Russian oil or face 100% tariffs. Number 5. ABC News crashes. While others lose viewers, ABC World News tonight is growing in ratings, staying on top in global news race. That's all for today news bulletin. Let me know in the comments which story shocked you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video and subscribe to Daily Khabar Heart for daily updates that matter. See you tomorrow with more top headlines. Till then, stay tuned and stay smart. Thanks for watching.